Hi everyone, my name is Luca Grimaldi and today we are here in Nugolo in Florence and we make like linguine gamberi pasta. We start with a few simple things. The first one is we have to make a bisque, is like a stock of shrimps, and when we cook the pasta inside for make the pasta of the flavor of the shrimps. We need the celery, carrots, garlic, shallots, white onion and parsley. We just now cut all these things and after we go to roast it in a pan to make stock. Now we put all the vegetable we cut inside a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, now we leave the vegetable go roast a little bit and we dedicate to the shrimps. The red shrimps we have, it's shrimps like from Sicily. It's the best we have in Italy. Okay, it's easy to clean. We just take out the head. Just use a couple of these. Now we add a little bit of pepper and giant pepper. We just toast a little bit in the oven before to use, for taking out all the essential oil we have. Okay, now we go down with the pasta, with linguine. This linguine have to cook for like 7 minutes, but we cook for 3 minutes inside the boiler with water, salty water, and for other 5 minutes we just leave to cook inside the pan with the stock of shrimps. Okay, we set the timer and now we just start to clean the shrimps. Okay. This is the stomach. This is all we need to take it out. This part is okay. It's a coral. It's the best one. You just need to take it out this part, the red one. This is the stomach. Okay. Now, with the head of the shrimps, we just put inside the vegetable because now it's roasted. Okay. Now we go to roast it very well the head of the shrimps. Okay, we leave the head go, and now we finish to cut the shrimps in pieces. These beautiful red shrimps. And we leave marinate just the time we finish to cook the pasta. We just add a little bit of salt, little bit less zest of lemon, and we finish with olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And we leave here. Okay. Now the head of the shrimps is roasted. We go to put just a little bit of brandy inside for the profum. Okay. And now we put some ice because we need a thermal shock for the head of the shrimps, because we want to take it out all the flavor outside very slowly, very delicate. This is the secret. Now we leave this cook for like 30-35 minutes. After that we just have to filter and that's it. Now of course we have ready. We leave this cook. This is the bisque when it's ready. It's like this. How you see, we just have all the flavor of the shrimps and the color of the head of the shrimps. Now we just wait 1 minute for the pasta and we start to cook the last 5 minutes inside the pan. Okay, 3 minutes is passed. And that's it. Okay, we just now leave cook this for another 5 minutes. Okay, now we prepare the garnish of the plate. We just have a parsley sponge. For make this, you just have to use 1 egg, 100 grams of flours. You blend the parsley, just boil and blend the parsley, put inside like 20 grams, and you have to put just in a microwave, in a plastic bag, whatever you want. You can put in a microwave, 30 seconds, you have a sponge of parsley. After we have a gel of fermented lemon, black lemon. It's just a powder you can buy. You can just make a gel with a little bit of water and agar-agar. And for finish, we have some herbs from our garden. Just acid herb. We just this acid herb for to make contrast with the linguine gamberi. Okay. Now for finish we put a little bit of butter acid. It's just butter with a little bit of vinegar and lemon juice and parsley oil. We just made with olive oil blend with parsley. Very good flavor. Just go to mantecare. The sound of love is this. Okay, that's it. We have very creamy, juicy linguine gamberi. Now we go to plate. Now we have the shrimps. And that's it. Linguine shrimps from Nugolo. Bye.
Thank you.